Prenton RUFC Community Hub Progress Report. All come along really well. The passageway now roof is on and sealed. The gentlemen now are working on the roof of the warm hub. We're going to start later. We're now entering the players' entrance. It's come on an awful lot since last time we spoke. All the walls now being plastered. We're walking on the passageway here now. Existing men's toilets and accessible toilets. The new physio room completion. Here we have the gym. The gym not only be available for Prenton players but also the local community to use as well. Out now to the changing rooms. Changing room coming really well now. There's the first team changing room. Going down to the two official changing rooms, both identical to each other with accessible toilets in each. Completely self-contained. The passageway now right down to the other changing rooms. Now we're coming to the visitors changing room. That's your visitors changing room. Again, all self-contained. We are now in the third changing room. The two teams get changed here at once. Back walking down to the clubhouse now. The wall's been knocked through for the lounge and warm hub. The roof to this now has all been done inside. They're working on it outside as we speak. Down below you can see that's the entrance to the function room. Going that way, entering the function room now. You've now got what we call a data room. It's going to be in there. All these walls have now been plastered. That wall now knocked down, self-level done. This room when finished will cater for over 100 people seated. The over bar is protected by this timber. Now this space here, there'll be a door, a glass door there, going into the community hub warm room. There'll be bifold doors. This now is the warm hub. This is the kitchen. Now the kitchen will be available to local residents in the week for teas and coffees and the likes. There'll be a window going in there. As you can see, the roof's on. All work going along really quickly. Hopefully we'll have it done end of October, beginning November.